Hello, today is Thursday, March 26th, and welcome to another edition of a technology update. Again, the goal of this video is to provide everyone a glimpse into the planning and preparations related to technology and to really just to communicate a variety of topics we've been discussing. First, I would like to talk about the XP refresh. We are currently trying to finalize the image to be deployed for all of the replacement of the Windows XP machines. We are taking a little bit longer to create the image for a couple of reasons. One, we want to make sure that it's robust and it has all of the components and the software and applications that we need. And two, we're trying to establish a new imaging process so that beyond this replacement of the XP machines, we'll have a process in place for creating an image that's efficient and effective. Our hope is that within the next week or so we can deploy the pilot test machines, have everyone get out there, use the machines, make sure that that's the image that we need, and then deploy the remainder of the 180 or so machines and have that done by the end of April. That is our goal. The next topic that we've been talking about is really our need to identify issues, concerns, applications that are to be supported by the IT department and those that should be supported by the school district. And so I know that that's been an issue for some of you out there when you're submitting tickets, and I do think that we need to provide clarity on what should go to IT and what really is a school district application to own. So stay tuned. We are going to begin those conversations soon, and once we arrive at what that should look like, we will be communicating that to all of you. Another item that we've seen routinely popping up in tickets is the need to reset passwords or somebody gets locked out of MMS. So in order to expedite the process, we have enabled our building principals to go in and reset passwords. We've provided training, and as of this taping, all of our principals do have access and do know how to reset passwords. I'm going to be asking them to send out an email to each of you to let you know that if you have an MMS issue related to passwords, that you will contact them directly and not submit a ticket. This should expedite the process for all of you and really hopefully make things seamless related to MMS. Another topic that we're talking about with Appalachia is the desire to develop a co-op program. We have numerous students involved in our diversified occupations, and we really have had a desire to establish a co-op program. We have many talented students within our own school district who we believe can help us achieve our end result and our goal related to technology. So we are going to begin to develop a plan for a co-op program and hopefully reach out to our DO teachers, and we can begin that process. Our goal is to actually have that implemented for the next school year. Another topic that we've been talking about for months is really application ownership. And what I mean by application ownership are all of the software web-based applications that we utilize. Read 180, CDTs, Performance Tracker, Study Island, all of those items. And we're working through administratively to identify key people who can serve as master users for the software, because one of the goals coming in with utilizing an outside vendor, in this case Appalachia for services, is it's really their job to make sure that we have access to the applications. We as a school district should be managing the applications. That's not really the direction of the technology support. So we're trying to build some internal capacity for each of the applications. We're still going to work on that, and again, once we feel good about that process, we'll be communicating with all of you as far as who is the contact person for some key applications across the school district. So please bear with us as we go through that. But I wanted you to know that that is a topic we're discussing internally. Impero, which is the software program that allows teachers to see what students have on their computers. So we had an issue with that, and actually it was a licensing issue. We found that Impero was installed on way too many computers that we really didn't have licensing for, so we had to scale that back, and we had to segment Impero out just a little bit differently. That has been done, and we actually have a few teachers that are piloting right now Impero, and we do hope that it gets out to all of the machines and to the teachers that need it. If you believe that you need Impero and you do not have it, please reach out to your building administrator, who in turn can then let Appalachia know, and we can go through that process. Again, I want to thank you for your time to at least understand the topics that we're discussing related to technology. This was a brief update because we're trying to narrow down our focus of what our conversation's about. And again, as of this date, the number of tickets that we currently have open are the least amount that we've ever had under the new ticketing system. So we're excited by that, but we certainly recognize that there's more work to do. Thank you.